Uh-oh. Did you just get the hiccups? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. Her's got the hiccups. Oh my gosh. They're terrible, aren't they, honey? Poor baby girl.